The future of luxury SUVs is shifting, and the 2026 Lexus J300 arrives like a quiet revolution. This is not just another premium crossover, it's a beast wrapped in refinement, a game-changer designed to shock expectations. In a world racing toward electrification and digital luxury, Lexus believes the future should still feel human, confident, and unmistakably bold. Let's start with the design, because the J300 makes its statement before you even touch the door handle. The exterior blends sharp modern geometry with classic Lexus elegance, creating a presence that feels both futuristic and reassuring. A wide spindle-inspired grille evolves into a cleaner, more aerodynamic face, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that slice through the night like precision blades. Sculpted bodylines flow smoothly from front to rear, giving the J300 a planted, athletic stance without sacrificing luxury appeal. From the muscular shoulders to the sleek roofline, this SUV looks ready to dominate city streets and open highways alike. Step inside, and the Lexus J300 transforms into a digital command center wrapped in comfort. The cabin feels airy and meticulously crafted, with premium leather, soft touch materials, and subtle metallic accents throughout. Front and center sits a large curved infotainment display, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, offering intuitive access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. A fully digital instrument cluster adapts to driving modes, while ambient lighting quietly sets the mood. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and Lexus' latest premium audio system turn every drive into a first-class experience. This is luxury that whispers rather than shouts. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus J300 focuses on intelligent performance. Expected to feature an advanced hybrid powertrain, the J300 blends a turbocharged gasoline engine with electric assistance to deliver smooth, confident acceleration. Power output is tuned for balance rather than brute force, offering strong mid-range response and refined highway cruising. Lexus engineers prioritize silence and stability, allowing the SUV to glide effortlessly while still feeling composed when pushed. Whether navigating traffic or carving through winding roads, the J300 feels controlled, predictable, and quietly capable. Handling is where the J300 surprises. Thanks to a refined suspension setup and precise steering calibration, this SUV feels lighter than its size suggests. Adaptive dampers adjust in real time, smoothing rough surfaces while maintaining composure through corners. Multiple drive modes let drivers choose between comfort-focused cruising and more engaging dynamics, proving that luxury and involvement don't have to be opposites. It's not about raw speed, it's about confidence at every moment. Safety and innovation remain at the heart of the J300's mission. Lexus equips this SUV with its latest advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. Enhanced sensors and cameras work together to create a near-constant awareness of the road, reducing stress and increasing confidence behind the wheel. Over-the-air updates ensure the system evolves over time, keeping the J300 future ready long after it leaves the showroom. Technology in the J300 isn't just about screens and sensors, it's about seamless integration into daily life. Wireless smartphone connectivity, voice-activated controls, and cloud-based navigation make the vehicle feel responsive and intuitive. Everything is designed to reduce friction, allowing the driver to focus on the journey rather than the interface. Lexus understands that true innovation should feel invisible. So where does the 26 Lexus J300 land in the market? Positioned between mainstream luxury crossovers and high-performance SUVs, it targets buyers who value refinement, reliability, and intelligent technology. Expected pricing places it competitively against rivals from BMW, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz, while offering Lexus' signature durability and ownership experience. This isn't about chasing trends, it's about setting a long-term standard. In a crowded SUV landscape, the Lexus J300 stands out by refusing to be loud or extreme. Instead, it redefines luxury through balance, precision, and thoughtful design. It's the SUV for drivers who want the future without losing the soul of driving. The 2026 Lexus J300 proves that evolution doesn't have to be dramatic to be revolutionary. It's confident, refined, and quietly powerful, a luxury SUV built for a smarter tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Cars Hump You for more cinematic reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.